Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're talking about this wheeled backpack by a company called Matein. They did send me another one of their backpacks, which I love, and so glad I learned about their brand. Seems like they make a nice quality product with a lot of space. And this one I love for the fact that I can wear it as a backpack, but I can also use this as a wheeled bag as well. And if you're one that is a road warrior, having wheels really makes such a difference, as you know, as most people's suitcases today are and do have wheels. So this backpack, I will be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below so you can check it out, and if it makes sense, you can order it. So a couple things on the bag. It does have a lifetime warranty. There is a card that's attached right to the bag. Some of the specs for this bag, it's a 40 liter. So again, a lot of room. You should be able to use this as a carry-on for the plane. 5.64 pounds. It's durable, tear resistant, and dirt resistant polyester fabric. Dimensions are 19 by 13 by 9.5, and it fits up to a 15.6 inch laptop. So anything more than that, it's not going to fit. So keep that in mind as well when you're looking for a laptop. Now, what I like about this wheeled bag, again, it's got the wheels, very smooth. You can use this as with the 4 wheels, or I don't even see why not. You could even use it with the 2 wheels, which is nice as well. I am 6 feet, and this will give you an idea height-wise. If you're wondering how high the handle would work for someone that's going to be a little bit taller, you can certainly lower this a little bit if you are shorter, so you can do that as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take the water bottle out because I want to convert it into the backpack to show you that. And it seems like the pockets for the water bottle are kind of big, and so you might want, if you are going to convert it into a backpack, you're probably going to want to take it out because it may fall out. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead, put the handle down, and zipper that up. So they've done a nice job. Now I'm going to zoom in here in a minute to show you close up of the pockets, but let me show you in the meantime for setting this up as a backpack. So you're going to take the straps that are hidden in the back, which is nice. It's got a padded backing, and then you are going to open up the bottom, and you're going to hook up the straps, which is great. And now it has this little bag, and what that does is just goes right over the back wheels. So when you are now putting this on your body, it's going to prevent your clothing from getting dirty, which is very smart. So here we are. Got this on my back. As you can see, you can adjust. There is no strap for the chest or the waist, but it seems like it does fit on well. And again, it's an easy conversion to go from the wheeled bag to the backpack. As far as the bottom, it's hard, but sitting on my back, I don't feel like it's uncomfortable, and it feels like it's weighted well with my shoulders. So again, if you want to then convert this back to a wheeled bag, very simple to do, which I'm going to zoom in so I could show you that closer up as well as showing you the pockets. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in and go over the pockets where we left off. We had talked about the straps in the back and converting this back into a wheeled bag. So before we do that, let me just share a couple of things. I'm going to take the water bottle out of the pocket as we do this, just in case it falls out, because there is a lot of room and it can fit a large water bottle, as you can see. Now, as far as the straps, by the way, there are these little places that you can hook things onto, which is nice. The straps are well padded. It's got ventilated type of material, and you can adjust the length of the strap, and then these just unhook just like that, and then they just tuck right into the back, which makes it nice and easy. And you can see it's got a nice back as well. This is padded, and so when you're wearing it, it will feel comfortable to wear. Then these straps go underneath like this, and then you have the here, which I mentioned, this covers the wheels, which is very smart. And also it does also, it's got a Velcro on the bottom there, so which is smart as well. And then you could tuck this in like this, and then you also have Velcro here where the back just Velcros close. So there you go. Now it is converted back into a wheeled bag. Now, you do have a nice rubberized grip handle. It's a soft rubber material, so that makes it nice if you want to grab it from the top. And then this is where the handle is, which is zippered shut. Now, let's start in the front here. You got little hook here where you can hang something. Then you have this front pocket here. This opens up to a nice little section. You got a little place to put your keys, which is great. Here I got my DJI, just to show you different things that I put in here. It's DJI mic, which is a great mic. You've got a little place for your business cards, your pens, and you got some nice pocket space. This is just one zipper there. Then this next one here, this is just one pocket, and I just took out my Apple AirPods. So not a very big pocket, but nonetheless, there is a little bit of pocket where you can put your wallet or something small, gum, candy in there. It's got the rubberized Matein patch. Then this one here is a little bigger. This goes all the way down deep, so you could definitely fit a lot of stuff in here. They've done a really nice job with their design. Very, very nice, and you can see how that just folds down, so you could put something in there. Then we're moving right along. We're getting to the bigger pockets. Here, we've got a nice deep pocket. This goes all the way in. So here you can see I got my headphones, got a tripod, got another little pocket thing, and I got a light. So in here, you've got a nice deep pocket. Goes all the way to the bottom, and then you also have these mesh pockets as well. There's two of those there. So that's nice. One zipper rather than opening on both sides. Something to think about if you like the two zippers. This is just one. Now, moving right along, we're going to get to the next bigger pocket. And this one is where, this is the last pocket here. And this is where the laptop fits. So in here, this section here, you could fit clothing. So if you're going away for a night or 2 nights, you certainly could fit some clothing in there. And then here is where the laptop can fit. This is a 14-inch laptop, which is well padded. And then you've got another pocket here where you could fit like a tablet as well. This would also stay protected. So that is the nice big section there. And then it looks like here, oh, this is kind of nice. Just notice this. So it's got the Velcro, and that really opens up even more so. The Velcro keeps it from opening all the way, which is smart. So they really have thought a lot about this bag. So it's very nice, and then you got a strap here. So all in all, this is a really nice bag, and especially if you're a road warrior, this would be great. Again, you got the handle there to take it with you on the go. You've got a water bottle pocket on both sides. Again, a lot of room in these water pockets. So there you go. Seems like it's a very smooth wheeling bag, and these are the wheels. So all in all, very nice. This is great, and this is kind of got a hard bottom. So there you go. Check it out today. This is the Matein wheeled backpack. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.